So how can you make cute app icons with shortcuts on the iPad? Let me show you how you can achieve that. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss videos like this. So of course, it depends on your personal definition of what cute is, but the process of achieving that is that you open up the shortcuts application and you can create a new shortcut. Just make sure you are in this main section and tap the plus button. And the action that we want to select is to open an app. You might see it right away as a suggestion, or if not, then just look it up and that is the action you want to choose. The app that we can pick is obviously any one from the installed apps on the phone. Let's say I'm going to pick the App Store and I'm essentially done with the shortcut. What I can do is to add it to the home screen. This can be done by tapping the share icon and choosing the add to home screen like that. And this is the important part because right now we customize the look of that shortcut. So you can choose the symbol or we can switch to the image and choose one from the gallery. You should already have one prepared, which is by your definition cute. You can find the icon packs on the internet. You can purchase them all together or even find ones which are freely available. So you can kind of like look up the App Store cute icon on the internet and you might get a picture like this. And I can use it like that. So you can see that this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice like this. And when I tap on add, it's going to add it to the home screen, but do not forget to change the name of the app or the shortcut so you can name it however you want. And when you add it to the home screen like that, you're going to notice that it is right there and you can tap on it instead of the actual App Store official app. So you can repeat the same step for every application and make the apps look cuter. So yeah, that's the thing I wanted to show you. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up if it did in fact successfully worked on your device. Thanks a lot and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.